Hey everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my latest PR package for my newest addiction. So let's get started. So first up we have the freebie journaling card that comes with every order. This is one that I already have, and I actually love this one so much that it is framed and on one of my shelves in my craft room. Next up is the PR Team Sampler, so if you use one of the PR codes, you'll save 15% and get this freebie in your order. My code is Angelica15, and that is in the description as well. I was also able to snag this stunning sticky note pad. I love the pink marble background on it, of course the illustrations, and it's just such a great quality as well. This is going to look so cute on my desk, and I will probably never use a single sheet of it unless it's to laminate it and stick it in my planner. She also recently did a very limited re-release of her to-do list pad featuring the Sunday Goals illustration, and I missed out on these the first time around, and I missed out on the full box sticker that came with the Sunday Goals kit, so I was really glad to be able to add this to my collection. Then I got 2 sheets of her laundry line stickers, and she has the best laundry stickers. They're so cute, and these are both very neutral, so they'll go with a lot of different kits and layouts, which is perfect. I also got 3 of her script stickers. I got Payday, Meeting, and No School, and these do come with foiling options, but because I used a lot of black ink in my layouts, I thought it'd be good to have this just so kind of would go with everything even if I'm not using a lot of foil one week. So lots of different phrase options as well. Be sure to check those out if you're like me and don't like to put your own chicken scratch in your planners. Next up, I got the neutral date covers, and these are kind of marbly backgrounds as well, and I got gold foiling on these. So pretty. I love her foiling. Then I got the blush foiled planner tabs, and I love the variety that she has for the different labels. So you've got everything from trackers, contacts, bills, pre-plan, just all kinds of things for whatever sections you may have in your planner. And I thought these would go really well with my Foxy Fix sugar cookie, and I got the rose gold foiling on these. Next up is a sheet of the neutral laptop half boxes. I was in love with the watercolor ombre effect on these. Thought they'd be great for marking filming or editing or just any kind of computer work. Last up we have the Neutral Life full kit, and this is the newly reformatted 6-page kit, so you were getting a ton of stickers with your order. I'll do a little flip through so you can see what all is included. Here are the full boxes. And can I just say how obsessed I am with this theme? It is so pretty. Next up we have the headers, workout and bill trackers, sidebar trackers, and a lot of TV and laptop icon boxes. Next up we have some checklist boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, and these little illustration strips. Then you get 2 sets of date covers, some meal trackers, laptop box, and she started adding deco again to her kits, which I love. How pretty are those? Then you get 2 options for checklists. You get the full boxes and the flag, so whatever you're into, she's got you covered. And lastly, you get this washi illustration sheet, so you've got this huge scene here, and then these smaller scenes. And I just love how original and unique Laura is with all of her illustrations and her kit themes. It's just such a breath of fresh air in this community, honestly. And I really cannot recommend her shop enough. If you haven't checked it out yet, I hope that you do soon. Don't forget to use my code, and I will link that and her shop in the description below. And that's it for this video, short and sweet as usual. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me over on Instagram for more planner and stationery pics. And don't forget to check the description below for shop links, PR codes, all that fun stuff. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!